How to pin a list on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pin a list on Twitter easy and fast. So first thing, go to Twitter and go to your profile here in the top corner and choose lists option here. Then go down and choose the list that you want to pin. For example, I want to pin this list. Click here on this little icon. Now the lists, it's pinned as you can see, and you can remove it from the pin if you want by clicking right here. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.